Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Tbsp Kitchen. For today's recipe, I wanted to do something just a little bit different. I wanted to do bacon, egg, and cheese stuffed waffles, and I really think you guys would like them. They're really easy to make, so let's just jump right into it. For this waffle mix, I'm going to start off with 2 cups of flour, also a tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 cup of white sugar. We can throw in a 1/2 teaspoon of table salt in there as well. Make sure you mix this up really nicely. I like to mix up my dry ingredients first, then my wet. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of buttermilk here. If you don't have buttermilk, go ahead and use heavy cream or whole milk. And you want to go ahead and mix this up really nicely until you get this really weird doughy consistency. But I like to do this first before I add my eggs. And I'm adding 2 eggs in here, 2 large eggs. And I'm adding a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now, I couldn't forget to add my tablespoon of vanilla extract. I want to go ahead and mix this up now. It's still a bit clumpy, but mostly smooth. Now that we've achieved this texture, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up and put it in the fridge. And we're going to start traying our bacon. I'm just going to do about 5 to 6 pieces here, but do as many as you want for this. This makes about 4 waffles or so yeah. All our bacon is getting nice and crispy in the oven. We're just going to go ahead and start our scrambled eggs. I just made some regular scrambled eggs, and you can make as much as you'd like, for as much as you want to put in your waffles, really. Go ahead and make sure you season your eggs up. Once your bacon is finished, you'll be ready to assemble your waffles now. So let's just go ahead and spray it off with some non-stick spray and add as much waffle mix as your waffle maker will make. Again, I have a Presto Stuffler waffle maker machine, so it's easy for me to overdo it. I only put in about 1/2 of my batter, then I'm gonna layer it with some cheese, then the eggs, then I'm gonna finish it with the bacon. You guys know how this is supposed to go. So then we're gonna add some batter on the top, and we're just gonna cover it completely. With the Presto waffle stuffler, you kind of have to flip it every couple of minutes, but that's cool though because it does help it cook really evenly, really quickly too. Especially for it to be a stuffed waffle. Now, I have the tongs, remove those, and I'm just gonna take some sort of spatula and just remove it. Look at that. Go ahead and plate it up. And I like to throw some syrup on here, but you could throw some powdered sugar or nothing really. The waffle batter in itself is pretty sweet, so however you want to do it, eat it like a sandwich if you want. I'm just cutting it open here so I can show you guys how it looks. And to be honest with you, if you don't want to cut it and eat it right now, you can freeze it and save it for later. It will come out perfectly fine, I promise. But I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, y'all, peace.